everyone, today I want to show you how to assign a new PM to an existing project in Clodify system. So we need to log in, go to management projects page, find a project that we need, like let's say I need John Doe's project, click edit and go to see who is the PM. Like here we can see that Carrie Madison is assigned as a PM on this project, but let's say I need another PM. For example, I have test PM here, so I need first to add this PM that I need here in the developers block. So I added this user, and here now I can change the PM. So I assigned a new PM and I can save the project. The project has been changed and we can now check. Let's check one more time. Test PM is now assigned as a PM on this project. So that's how we can assign another PM to an old project.